Hi, this is Robbie Dodenbeer, and I will be showing you my Enhancement 9 activity. So starting here at the home page, if I click into each of my menus, you can see I have images loaded. If I click into my rocket, if I click into the rocket details, you can see here are my thumbnails. If I inspect element here on the large image, you will see here this is smaller than 500 by 500. If I click into my thumbnails, you can see these are less than 200 by 200, so my resizing is working. Just to show that this is valid HTML, I am going to view the page source, copy that, come into here, erase what I already had, check. As you can see, that is green. I do have two CSS files, so here's my main CSS file. Checking that. That is green. And I also have a category.css file. Checking that. You can see that too is green. So lastly, here is my database. If I click into the images, let it refresh. It's a new query. As you can see here, I have a TN after every single file. And here's my newer files. You can see here they too all have TN. So that should fulfill the requirements of the enhancement activity. And thanks for watching.